Welcome back, everybody. We are taking your pet health questions right now for veterinarian David Grass. So thanks for coming in as always. Who'd you bring with you?
This is Hercules, and he's Herculean. He's a 6-year-old Dachshund. And
Yeah. He just got bashful when the camera got on him.
Very friendly guy.
Yeah, and he sheds a little bit, not too bad. But Dachsies are great pets. Obviously, a lot of people have them in their families.
Yes, they are.
But you were saying that they sometimes have back problems.
Yeah, this is one of the breeds that's prone to having degeneration of the intervertebral disc, which is the little pad between the backbones. And he is in excellent physical condition. He's not overweight. It's very important to keep your Dachshund from becoming overweight because that contributes to back problems.
Okay.
And also it's good if you teach them not to jump too much, and running up and down stairs and playing Frisbee, those sort of things can cause, contribute to back problems.
Yeah, well, they're sort of long-shaped, you know, so obviously, you know,
Right.
bending of the back is probably not good for them.
Right, long dogs like Lhasa Apsos and poodles, Cocker Spaniels,
Yeah.
some of those breeds they are more predisposed to back problems.
Okay. Well, we do have a caller on the line. Let's go ahead and take her call. She has a question about her dog's behavior. Go ahead.
Yes, I have to keep him on a leash. He is a Keyshound. He's 5 years old. If I don't keep him leashed all the time, he runs. He has not been neutered, and we were going to have use him for puppies, but decided to change our mind. He has not been, but how old can they be to have that taken care of?
I like to neuter dogs when they're about 4.5 to 5.5 months of age, but anytime you neuter, it's going to be positive for his health. Many old dogs that aren't neutered will develop cancer around the rectal area or cancer of the prostate or testes, and then we have to neuter those dogs therapeutically. So if he isn't exhibiting any of those diseases yet, that's a very positive thing. Get him neutered right away. I don't know that that will help his behavior any. It can't hurt, but it will certainly help his health, and it'll extend his life expectancy.
I was going to say, I can't let my dog off the leash either, and he's a wire fox terrier, very high energy, and he's neutered, and it still doesn't, he still bounces around the house. We've got Teresa on the phone now with a question for us. Teresa, go ahead. Are you there?
Yeah, I have a question. I have a 5-year-old lab, and he has chronic yeast infection in his ears, and he's continuously taking medicines for it. And once he's off the medicine, it just starts right up again. I was wondering if there could be like a blockage.
Could be. If he has a very narrow ear canal, that could contribute to the reoccurrence of the yeast infection in his ears. There is a surgery that can be done that opens up the ear canals. Dogs have a 2-component ear canal. People have a very short ear canal that only has a horizontal component. Dogs have a horizontal and a vertical component to their ear canal. So because of that, they can develop accumulation of moisture. It's like a trough, and yeast can come back over and over. So many dogs will respond to regular cleaning with drying solution that will prevent it. If he keeps getting it anyway, then you might have him looked at as a candidate for surgery, just to have it looked at.
All right. Veterinarian David Graff and Hercules, he's standing there looking very, like you said, Herculean.
Herculean.
Good boy. All right, and then tomorrow we will take your questions for psychologist Dick Sockwell, so you won't want to miss that. Stay with us. It is TV9 News at Midday. We'll be right back.